move to the next candidate. Sasank, according to you, what is the greeting and what is importance of greetings?
Yes, sir. So, greeting is an act of communication. It is an act by which we initiate a conversation with others, and we make our presence known to
Very
others.
nice,
And
very
it
nice.
can be formal, it can be informal,
Right, 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 right,
depending on the situation.
right. Okay. And Ruchiji, please explain. Very nice explanation given by Sasank.
Yes.
Hmm.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Ruchiji, please, if you have. Am I audible?
Sir, right now I'm on my way to home,
Hmm.
so I won't be able to speak and you won't be able to listen.
Okay, 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 no
So
problem.
so I'm just listening, whatever is possible.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay,
Now
fine.
moving towards Rituji. Rituji, what is greetings and importance of greetings in our daily communication?
Greetings is an act of communication in
Hmm.
which we start our conversation with other people,
Hmm.
and the advantage of greeting, I think we welcome the other peoples
Hmm.
with our words.
Right, right, right. Okay, now my there is one general question to all of you. Anyone can answer this question. Ultimately, as I have already told that my first target is to make you people speak something, right? It is not a cramming thing, it is not any topic, but for spoken English we need to have any particular topic where we have to speak something. So my question to all of you, that in your own life, what do you think, that my greetings are good or not? If you think that my greetings are good, then what is special in you? It means, do you have a smiling face? Do you always welcome others? What is special in greetings? Or if you think that I don't have good greetings, then what are the lacunae? It means what are the problems in your personality? So answer, if anybody, please.
Sir, I think my greetings are always, not always, but 98% are good because whenever I greet someone, I always see the age and the formality or informality as the greetings should be used at the office and in the home, or if I go to someone's home to meet them, and if somebody is visiting to our home, then I definitely keep it in my mind that if the person is elder, how to greet him, and if the person is younger, how to greet her
Very
or him.
nice, very nice. So 98% greetings are good in you, right?
I think so.
I also think so. Because
Thank you, sir.
by talking to you, I have observed that yes, you have good speaking skills, and even you can convince someone easily. So I also.
Same here, sir. Same here. I always feel pleased with talking to you.
Thank you. Now I would like to go for Kavita ma'am. Please, ma'am, speak something. Do you find that your greetings are good?
Sir, to greet someone is lag in my personality. But when I meet respected people, so I greet others.
Okay, okay,
Otherwise,
okay. Yes, Ishwar sir.
Yes, sir. My greeting changes according to situation, time, and place.
Hmm.
Where I used to greet someone, uh, say namaste or good morning. In school, I used to say good morning, good afternoon, and say namaste. And in
Yes, yes. Continue.
and in home, I used to my local language for greeting someone.
Okay, okay. Very nice, very nice. Yes, Asank, what do you think?
So I think my greeting is fine enough as I'm working in a government office since a very young age. So I have developed my greeting skills over the time.
Hmm.
And initially, I think I wasn't good enough, but uh, I developed my skills and I developed the skills of showing more respect and uh, I uh, keep a smile when I talk to someone, and be it if the person is younger or elder, it doesn't uh, matter for me. I mostly try to show respect to everyone who is in front of me, and also with my friends, I
Okay,
try to.
okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
So now I would like to welcome Radha Charan sir. Radha Charan sir, welcome.
नमस्ते सर.
Namaste, namaste.
सभी को नमस्कार सर.
नमस्कार सर, नमस्कार. आप कभी कॉल कर रहे थे शायद, मैंने आपको कैंसिल कर दिया. बाद में बात करते हैं क्लास के बाद.
हाँ हाँ जी सर, इसके बाद बात कर लेंगे.
Okay. So, Radhacharan sir, I would like to remind you that it is a spoken time which is going on, and we don't have to speak in Hindi.
जी सॉरी
If
सर.
you find speaking in Hindi, then you will be charged. You will be fined.
ओके
Okay.
ओके
So,
सर, I'll try to express myself in English.
yes.
Although I'm not very fluent with this language, but I'll try to speak English as correct as possible.
No, no, you are very much fluent at at present. You are speaking fluently, right?
Sir, only this much fluency I have. And
That's nice. That's nice. Okay. Now we would like to go for the second topic, as you have answered correct. I think you all have talked about your greetings styles. So I only want to say that whatever your personality is, don't try to make it as others, right? Whatever your personality is, it should be the same, but try to have a smiling face if possible, right? If possible, don't pretend. Pretend करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Pretend means ढोंग रचना. That's right. So, whatever the personality we have, that should be fine. But what we can do, if possible, we can have a smiling face. If possible, now I think everybody, whether girl or boy, from today, you all have to focus on your physical personality also. Believe me. Interview, when we enter the room in interview, first impression is the last impression, you all know very well. So what is your first impression? That always matters a lot. And second impression is lasting impression. Second impression means whatever your thinking is, your thought is, that should be lasting. So what we have to do from today, everybody including me, we will place, because I know very well today in the newspaper it is clearly mentioned that first 2022 assistant professors interview will be held in November and December. Then medical officer interviews will start, and it will take 2 months. So it is very much clear that till March it is not possible for our interview to be conducted till March. It means in March or in April. So if suppose there would be interview in March. If suppose interviews are held in March, then we have November, December, January, February or March. 5 months at least. So in 4 or 5 months we have to work on our body, physically also, external body also. Internal we are talking about, thoughts we are talking about, we should have daily conversation. If suppose the same conversation will go on for 1 hour, we are talking in English only on topics, easily it can be, right? But physically we have to work, girl or boy, anybody, right? From you are from any age, it doesn't matter, right?
Yes, sir. I'm thinking to start a gym. Start to going a gym.
That's nice. That's nice. I think we all
Yes,
have
sir.
to start. We all have to start.
Seriously,
No,
sir.
it's fine. I think because ultimately it matters a lot. Or we can kill two birds with single stone. It means we can look smart also, or will be prepared for interview also, right? So
And we have to work on our diet also.
diet plays an important role, right? Take that much food only which is required for your body. ठूसने की जरूरत नहीं है कि हम ठूसे जा रहे हैं, है ना? We can learn from Ishwar sir also. Ishwar sir takes only little food in the evening time, as he has told when our classes were going on, right, sir?
Yes, sir. I used to eat little.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. So we all have to work on that, which is very much important. तो हम लोग दो काम कर सकते हैं, एक अच्छी अपने लोग अपना बना सकते हैं, एंड सेकंड वी विल बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द इंटरव्यू आल्सो, राइट? ओके, नाउ इट्स अबाउट ग्रीटिंग. Now moves to the second chapter. What was the second chapter?
Sir, it is the public behavior.
Public behavior. So some of the points have been given by me, and I think these all points are very much important for any particular behavior. I think it is impossible to inculcate all the rules which have been given or which have been written there in the notes, but yes, we can have at least some rules according to our personality, right? So Ishwar sir, please read them one by one.
Sir, you have written here, it is the exchanging of greeting with your gesture and posture. It is the public behavior. How to make it effective? Some sentences are there. Saying thank you, saying please, having a smile on your face.
Okay. One by one we will talk about. First is saying thank you, right?
Yes.
So I think that thank you, you know the importance of thank you, everybody.
Yes, sir. Saying thank you, we
show
we
our
show
gratitude.
our yes, sir. We show our gratitude.
So, saying thank you is also one of the traits that can be inculcated in our personality, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, second please.
The second, saying please.
Saying please, right? Please, thank you are same words, right? You can use please, thank you whenever required, not saying thank you or please every time, but whenever required, right? You should be clever, you should be smart enough to understand where I have to use, where I don't have to use, right? It is your cleverness.
When we ask for someone's help, we say please. We used to
Yes,
we can say please.
yes, you can say please, and your please should be in such a words that can be impressive little to the frontier's mind, right?
Yes, and next is having a smile on your face.
That's, I think it is very important, but मैंने अभी आपसे बोला ही था कि इसको pretend नहीं करना है. We don't have to pretend it. ढोंग नहीं रचना है कि हमारे चेहरे पे स्माइल नहीं आ रही तब भी हम रखे जा रहे हैं. If it is possible, right, you can have little smile, and it is all about practice. If if you think that yes, I am comfortable with having little smile, then you can go for it. If you think, because you know very well about yourself, right? If you think that fake smile is not good at all for on my face, then don't go for that. Next, please.
Use English phrases and words.
Right. English phrases, good phrases. At the end of the notes, I have given many sentences. I have given many words of English. Right? Read them, because I think when you start talking, and if you use good phrase, that makes great impact in the interviewer's mind. Right? So you can go for some phrases which have been given in the notes. नोट्स में जो दिए गए हैं, यू कैन गो थ्रू इट. आप जा सकते हो, उसके लिए पढ़ सकते हो एक बार. इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
But English phrases are important. Next, please.
Next is exchanging greetings.
Exchanging greetings. Okay, we have already talked about.
Yes, sir. We have already talked about.
And
Having good dressing sense.
having
Next
good
is
dressing
having
sense. Right. Dressing sense always makes an impact, and it is not much important because we will be in suit, and ladies will be in sari. So okay, don't go for that in deeply. Next, please.
Be confident.
Be confident. It is very much important. ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट बात है. इसके लिए मैं सबसे पहले कविता मैम से बोलना चाहूँगा, बिकॉज उनके अंदर थोड़ा डर रहता है. आई हैव फाउंड सो.
Yes.
राइट, जो मैंने पहचाना है. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, बिलीव मी, nobody on this planet is perfect at all. Right? Nobody is perfect. So don't think that I am not wiser than him. Right? I'm not intelligent as he is. Don't think so. Confidence makes great impact. Confidence. Now the question is arising, how to get confidence. So confidence can be got by two things. First, teaching. Right? Here you have opportunity to speak something. If you think today I cannot speak, I am unable to speak, no problem. Go for the next day. Right? Next day you have to speak. After 5 minutes I will give all of you chance. Right? Here we are discussing only, so first let me clear the points, then you will speak over that. And try to understand that you are good. You are good enough. Right? तो कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ाने के लिए एक तो आपको किसी से जरूर बात करना चाहिए, टीच करना चाहिए टू एनीबडी. सेकंड, थिंक एवरीबडी इज लाइक मी. कॉन्फिडेंस तो अच्छों को मतलब वो कर देता है. सो कॉन्फिडेंस इज वेरी मच इम्पोर्टेंट, and for interview it is pretty important. So having confidence is important also, and makes you different from others. Next, sir.
Next is keep your body language proper.
Keep your body language proper. Okay. How to sit, how to stand up, how to talk, right? And use hands when required for teaching skills. For teaching I am talking about especially. These, ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने कह दिया तो आपको उसको फॉलो कर दोगे. ये you have to analyze yourself. Right? And again I am saying that teach someone. Start teaching to any student. If you are not teaching. If you are teaching, that's fine. And if you have audience means students, then implement it. Speak something, right? And if possible in class you can motivate to the students. That makes your confidence build up. Okay, next please, sir.
Next is make eye contact.
Make eye contact. That is also important. but eye contact, there are many types of eye contact. You don't have to stare, right? You don't have to glare. Understood? एंड मतलब ऐसे नहीं कि घूरना वगैरह, मतलब एक आई कांटेक्ट, एक नॉर्मल आई कांटेक्ट। स्पेशली गर्ल्स के बॉयज के साथ आई कांटेक्ट करने में दिक्कत होती है, बॉयज का गर्ल्स के साथ आई कांटेक्ट करने में दिक्कत होती है। व्हाई? बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली we have flourished in such a circumstances, in such a situations where we are not allowed to talk to girls, girls are not allowed to talk to boys. Because of this complexity, we cannot make good eye contact to the girls, or boys cannot make good eye contact to the girls. This is only right. So if you are sitting there and if you are not having good eye contact, if suppose a female candidate is there and there are some males, if you don't have good eye contact, how can it be possible for you to crack? Right? Next.
Yes, sir, it is necessary. Next is praising behavior.
Blessing behavior, right?
Next, praising behavior.
praising. It is not applied here. Praising behavior तो normal life में आपको करना है, किसी की बड़ाई करना, और ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत ज्यादा बड़ाई करना, राइट? इफ सपोज you have been served food, a plate of food, then you find that it is not much tasty, but it is tasty, then you can say it's delicious. Then believe me, the one who is cooking that food, she will be very much happy, or he will be very much happy, and on the next day you will have delicious food surely. So it is applied in general life, not for interview purpose.
Is it your own experience, sir?
Yes, it is my own experience. Finished, sir? Finished?
Yes, sir, it is finished. And you have wrote here, you have 3 P's: public speaking, prepare, practice, and presentation. It is important for public speaking.
Prepare something for public speaking. For public speaking means stage performance. Then prepare, whether you are intelligent person, you know very well that topic, right? कितने भी आप इंटेलिजेंट बने रहो, आप टॉपिक अच्छी तरह से जानते हो, but you have to prepare first, because preparation gives you confidence, right? As कल जैसे ऋतु जी बोल रही थी, तो मैंने इनसे बोला था कि आप मतलब कितने भी, लेकिन इंटरव्यू की तैयारी करो, मैंने बोला था ना, इसीलिए बोला था प्रिपेयर। अब डेली अल्टरनेट हम लोग बोलेंगे, स्पोकन करेंगे, आई थिंक वी विल हैव गुड स्पोकन स्टाइल, राइट?
सर आई हैव 2 क्वेश्चंस।
यस प्लीज।
सर इंटरव्यू करते टाइम हाथ बांध के बैठना पड़ता है, तो जिसको थोड़ा सा हाथ हिला के बात करने की आदत है वो कैसे सोचेगा? और फिर दूसरा आई कांटेक्ट करते हैं, तो जैसे आई कांटेक्ट करते हैं तो भी भूल जाते हैं, एकदम आई कांटेक्ट करके नहीं सोच पाते हैं।
तो इसमें मेरा जो
Try to ask these questions in English, please, ma'am.
yes
That will help. That will definitely help you.
So first of all, my answer to you, ma'am, from next class you have to open your camera. Okay?
Yes, sir, everyone should
open the camera. If you are busy somewhere, no problem, but if possible, then you have to open your camera first and sit at particular place, like I'm sitting here on the chair, right? So, and sir is also sitting there, Ishwar sir is sitting there. Now he knows very well that my camera is open. I have to speak something, or after thinking a lot, or many things are there. So first open your camera, because we are in online class. If suppose there is offline class, then we can have daily discussion front to front, right? So it's all about practice only. And if you do practice daily here in the class, then you will have habitual of that, right?
Yes, sir.
So from the next class you have to open your camera and sit at particular place. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I would like to make you people speak something, as only 5 minutes are left for this spoken time. Half an hour we will go for spoken and half an hour we will go for literature. Okay. So 5 minutes only
Yes.
left. So my question, one by one you have to speak. If suppose we need more minutes, no problem, we will give more minutes. Okay. So don't think that I have only 5 minutes are left, so I don't have to speak something. You can speak whether we need 10 minutes more. Okay. So my question to all of you, that in all these rules which we have talked about, which rules you have already followed, or which rules you want to follow, or what type of personality do you have? Yes, who will start? Ishwar sir, you will start.
What do you ask, sir?
My question is,
Sir,
yes.
sir, in Hindi I do follow all the rules, but in English I have to practice.
My question is there, that the rules which we have talked about recently, how many?
Yes, sir. We have to talk only in English. We need to uh, uh, open our cameras. Uh, we need to prepare for next class daily, and daily homework, daily do our homework, and daily practice for speaking.
No, my question was that how many rules which we have already talked about, already you followed in your life? Saying thank you, saying please, many rules we have already talked about, na? So how many rules
Yes, sir.
you follow in your daily life?
Sir, I am not talking English in my daily life.
Because you are teaching to school students.
Yes, sir. I'm teaching in a school students, but there are there I am not talking in English. We used to only talk in Hindi.
Start talking in English for your interview
sir.
purpose, and your students will also be happy for that, right?
Yes, sir.
Not all time, but use sometime, right?
Yes, sir. We have to start. We have to start and increase it
Yes.
day by day.
Okay, Ritu ma'am,
Yes, sir.
what is your college condition? You are also English literature professor. So do you talk to your students in English only, or anything happens?
Sir, I use bilingual language.
Bilingual language, okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
for 3 or 4 months you have to start talking to them mostly in English, right?
Yes, sir. I will try, sir.
Mostly. I'm
Yes.
not talking about that only English, but mostly English.
Yes, sir. Now, sir, I follow some rules here. I just mentioned in your PDF. Like I follow. I learn regularly some new words or some phrases are
Right.
I learn some phrase or it's a 9 days. It's a 9 days.
Wonder.
9 days wonder. Yes, sir.
Right.
It's a 9 days wonder.
Right.
And a little things is a dangerous thing.
Right.
A little knowledge is a dangerous thing.
Right.
Yes, sir. So I will try, sir.
Very nice. Get it printed. सब लोगों के
Okay,
पास
sir.
अगली बार मेरे को प्रिंट वाले नोट्स चाहिए. Get it printed, right? The notes which I have provided you, you should print it as soon as possible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, now I'm moving towards Sasank. Yes, Sasank.
Yes,
So how
sir.
much time do you talk in English? To whom? What is the atmosphere of your job?
So I don't have many people to have a conversation in English with, but sometimes I use AI modules to practice my conversation skills and fluency.
Very nice. That's also nice. Very nice. So it is another thing that Sasank has suggested us, that if you don't have anyone, you can go for AI model. AI से बात कर सकते हो, AI का लाभ ले सकते हो. That's nice. And Kavita ma'am.
Yes, sir. We used to talk AI, but written format, sir, not speaking format.
स्पीकिंग भी तो होता है ना, आप कर सकते हो. चैट जीपीटी, एट द
Yes,
चैट
sir.
जीपीटी यू कैन गो फॉर.
So recently I've discovered this feature. I didn't know it earlier, but yeah, I think it's a good use of AI that you
Yes,
can
yes, yes, yes,
have.
yes, yes. At Gemini also, at Chat GPT also.
Chat GPT as
Yeah,
well,
I have,
and
I have
Perplexity also, sir.
Perplexity also. Right, right,
Yes.
right, right. And Archana ma'am, what about your college condition?
Sir, Rome is not built in a day.
Rome is not built in a day.
English phrase.
Right, right, right.
And the condition of my college is, if I start talking in 100% English, not a single class will be going on.
Following that, right?
Yes,
Okay.
because the condition of students are such that they are from the village and they don't know much English. They want to learn English, but in Hindi.
Okay, okay. So I think
And
I would suggest you that
yeah,
okay, they are not capable to understand your language, but while teaching to them, for your purpose, because you are going
yeah,
to appear in interview, so for your
yes, sir.
purpose, daily you have to think something and motivate them in English, right? So
Sure, sir.
for your purpose, and it will also be possible that they will learn something, so both purpose will be there, right?
Yes, sir. I'm thinking so that I will, from tomorrow onwards, I will I will give them a topic, and firstly, I will perform it in the classroom, and then I will motivate them. And one by one, as we are talking in our class, the same atmosphere I will create in the classroom.
Very nice, very nice. Yes, Radhacharan sir. राधा शरण सर है ना, राधा शरण के चरण में थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो जाता है सर.
It's Radha Sharan. Radha Sharan.
Okay, Radha Charan sir.
जी.
Do
जी.
you? I think you are Patwari, so it is impossible for you to speak in English, right? Because you don't have
Sir,
audience.
completely. Sir, for me it is completely मतलब it is unimportant for me to speak with this language because people are speak Malvi and Sandwadi, so they are very distant to English language.
Oh.
Or if we speak some two or words, so they don't even understand and they try to bully us. So because we are speaking English, so it is completely anti-English environment is there.
Okay, okay. So adjust, right? Or if you don't have time, then speak in our class most of the time.
Yes, it is good.
Right?
Yes, definitely. It would be a good platform to express with this language, so that I can express myself more effectively that I could earlier do.
So that we have started our class before 4 or 5 months. So that only. इसीलिए तो अपने
Yes,
स्टार्ट
sir.
किए, है ना.
हम्म.
अब स्टार्ट करने को तो 1 महीने पहले ही कर दो और बोल दो 5
हाँ.
मॉक और 10 मॉक, है ना. लेकिन
हाँ.
4 or 5
Sir,
months
for
before,
developing a
because
good
of this only.
personality.
Because that
जी.
we have to work over spoken English, we have to work over literature. But if suppose any question is asked in literature, then we have to answer in which manner we have to answer. That should be learned here.
Yeah.
So in 4 and 5 months, we will be great speakers. Everybody will be great speaker, right? Daily 1 hour dose is important, as doctor gives us medicine. So it is also a medicine type, right?
Definitely.
Okay. And Kavita ma'am, I think you also don't have anyone audience. Do you have audience?
So I have children, my
Oh,
children.
right,
So
right. You have your own children. You can discuss.
most of time I talk with them
Very nice,
in English.
very nice. Good. Okay. And I think you are living in where? Anuppur.
No, sir. Ali Rajpur.
Ali Rajpur. So in Ali Rajpur, there is no involvement of English, right?
No, sir. Not a Hindi, not a English.
Chaliye, okay. So try to communicate to your children and to us, right, in class.
Yes, sir. And I also use Joe's Talk.
Joe's
But
Talk, right. That's also nice. अगर आपने उसका वो ले रखा है तो ठीक है, नहीं तो आप ज़्यादातर यहाँ पे बात करें. अब तो कई सारे स्पीकर्स मिलते हैं जो स्टॉक्स पे. आई थिंक ओनली वन स्पीकर इज अवेलेबल देयर.
No, sir. Many speakers available there.
Okay. That's nice. Okay.
When we call, to automatically connect other people
Okay.
from other states.
Very nice. Okay, so do you feel good in Joe's Talks or in here your own class?
Sir, own class.
आपको अपनी क्लास में ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है और जोश को टॉक्स में बातें करने में ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है?
No doubt, sir. Own class is better than Joe's Talk or other platform.
Because we are from the same background, we are from the same literature, right?
Yes.
We have our same purpose.
Same purpose.
Also, no any other class.
Especially the purpose is same.
Our class.
Okay. So what is there on the screen?
The syllabus.
There are syllabus.
Okay.
Syllabus unit
Very nice.
first.
So today we are going to talk about only history of the period Chaucer to Shakespeare. Only history. So
Sir, I'm not able to see anyone.
So in literature we are going to discuss about the history from Chaucer to Shakespeare. So and before Chaucer also. So now I think we have to start discussing. Yes, anybody who would like to go for Anglo-Saxon history? Or if you are unable to, then I will try my best.
Anglo-Saxon.
Anybody?
Sir, Anglo-Saxon.
Yes.
The Anglo-Saxon period is, I think, the earliest period that we study in English literature. It is a time when the English, the continental part of England is ruled by various tribes. Initially, they are from Germany, Goths, Britos, or these kind of tribes ruled by them. The rule of these tribes last till 1016.
1066.
1066 until the William of
William the Conqueror.
France. William the Conqueror of France invaded England and win the England. And after that, the rule of William come into existence in England, and
Who were the real inhabitants of Britain?
sir, I think
Yes.
Brits, sir. Britos, yes, sir.
Britons, right? Or they can also be said Celts. Celts, right? On over the Celts, first Roman have invaded first. right?
बिल्कुल.
And when Roman left and returned back to the Rome, then Angles, Saxons, and Jutes were the three tribes, right? Uh, Invaded there on the Celts. And as you told that until 1066 there were only Angles and Saxons and Jutes were there. But when William the Conqueror has defeated Harold was the king of Anglo-Saxon. Then Norman started in 1066. After the 1066, Norman period started, and Norman were actually Vikings, and Vikings was the tribes who also tried to defeat King Alfred, in 878. When Norman started, it means French period started, because the language of Normans were France, so they were from France, right? And French became the elite language, right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
And Chaucer जब आया, when Chaucer came, who was the king?
Edward III.
Edward III.
Edward III. In which year?
1340.
1337, I think.
Edward 1337. Edward III came.
There are three kings in the period of Chaucer, I think.
There were three kings.
I think so.
Right. Name please.
Edward III, Richard II, Henry IV.
Richard, Edward, and Henry.
Right. Okay. So Edward III, I think reigns started in 1343 or 1340.
1340.
1340. And Chaucer was there in which year with Edward III? Edward II, sorry.
1343.
Edward III, sorry. Edward III, right?
Yes, sir.
1343. And when Richard II came?
1377.
1377. In
Yes,
1377, Richard II started ruling, and Chaucer was the second king under which Chaucer was working. And who was the third king?
Henry IV.
Henry IV. In which year?
Maybe 1392.
1398.
98.
Yes, 1398.
1398. Only after 2 years Chaucer died.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here we are talking about history only. In the next class we will continue with literature also, but today not. Today we are talking about history only. So it's 1400. Okay. Now tell me, after 1400 what happens? Who was the king? And what happened in 1485?
1485.
What happened in
Sir.
1485?
Gutenberg, no, sorry. Yeah.
मतलब 1400 के बाद क्या चला, फिर उसके बाद 1485 में क्या हुआ, मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ.
So, War of Roses.
War of the Roses.
War of Roses.
Okay.
1455 to 1487, War of Roses.
Okay. After 1400, there were many problems which happened already. In 1348, Black Death was there, right? In 1381, Peasants' Revolts was there, and the War of Roses from which period to which period?
1455
100-year
to...
war.
Yes, sir. There are 100 years.
Right.
War. 1337 to 1453.
Okay. And
And then War of Roses, 1455 to 1487.
hmm,
That The war was fought between Lancaster and York.
Very good, very good, very good.
House of Lancaster and House of York.
Nice, nice. And in 1485, who was the king who defeated Richard?
Henry
Henry
IV.
VII. Henry VII.
After Henry IV.
हेनरी सेवेंथ आया था 1485 में ट्यूडर डायनेसिटी लेके बिकॉज हिज रियल नेम वाज हेनरी ट्यूडर देन ट्यूडर डायनेस्टी स्टार्टेड जब 1487 में हेनरी ट्यूडर ने राज कर लिया देन ट्यूडर डायनेस्टी स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम 1485 ट्यूडर डायनेस्टी स्टार्टेड हेनरी सेवेंथ वाज द फर्स्ट किंग एंड आफ्टर हेनरी सेवेंथ हेनरी एट्थ who was the
father of Elizabeth.
Right. And before Elizabeth, who were the king or queen?
Mary.
And before Mary?
Henry VIII.
And after Henry VIII, who was? His son. And what was the name of his son?
William.
Edward.
Right.
Edward.
Which number of Edward?
Edward 6.
Edward 6.
Yes. Edward 6. After Henry VIII, Edward 6 became the king because he was the son. Right. And Henry VIII has 3 wives. One is of Elizabeth's mother, one is of Edward's mother, and one is of Mary's mother. So Elizabeth's mother was Ellen Boleyn, and Edward's mother was Catherine, right? And Mary's mother, I forgot the name. So he has 3 wives. So after Edward VI, Mary became the queen, and Mary could not control the reign very well. Then Elizabeth became the queen, and Elizabeth period starts from which period, which date to which year?
1558 to 1603.
Very good, 1603. And when she died, who was the king?
Jacob.
James first.
Right. James first.
Yes.
James first was the James VI of Scotland. But when he came here, then he became James first. Right? And Jacobin is started. Understood?
Yes, sir.
And Shakespeare was under which reign? Elizabethan,
Elizabeth.
James.
Right. So okay, so for today it is enough because it was our first class, and I hope that from next class you will be prepared, and we will have some homeworks also for the next class. Every day we will have some homeworks. Okay.